Cleaning the hot tub again. So we modified the process a little bit. This time we tried 2 gallon of vinegar, white vinegar, and then let it go for a few days. It did not remove all of the calcium on the edge, but it definitely loosened it. So I was able to take a plastic card and get the rest off fairly easy. So I just got in the hot tub and then just relaxed and worked my way around and pretty much got it all clean. It was one little spot over there. It was just really tough. It's still, I don't know why, just this one little spot here. Doesn't want to come off, but I can probably get that. It's not a big deal. So I'm draining it right now. Oh, I also went around and I'm draining it with a hose, just using the suction of the water, pulling it in. Went around and did all the bottom, pulling up any calcium, any dirt, anything on the bottom that was on the bottom. So that's all sucked up now. Did that as I was relaxing in it. So I'm going to get it down a little bit further, then I'm going to get a big sponge bucket, get the rest of it out, and I'm already ready to start filling. So then the only other thing I need, I'm probably going to need some help getting the plastic cover on. I think it's best if you put the little bubbles up. I don't think the mice or anything likes to crawl in there on these. Keep this down. Although we did find some pretty big spiders that were on the edge around here. They seem to like it. So I think I'm going to grab some of that mixture that I've made up of penetrating and with some oil in it that'll have some staying power and get a go around of that. I think that'll keep the bugs off because they ain't going to like that odor, I don't think. That did work the one year I had the honeybees, thinking my hot tub was going to be their water source. So I put a bunch of that on the sides here, and they didn't like that odor, and they quit using my hot tub for their water. They went back to the water garden where they were supposed to be. Okay, so I have to let this go probably another 15 minutes, and then I'm ready to get the bucket, clean it up, put the cover on, and start filling. So a little bit of vinegar. The first time I had done it, I had used 5 gallon. That did clean everything. That took the calcium out of the vents and everything. That really cleaned up. But this time I didn't need to do that. They were all fine. I just needed to get it off the edge. So it was helpful. 2 gallon. I don't know. Maybe 1 would have done it. Didn't seem to, but maybe it needed more time.